National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Wakulla County in Big Bend, Florida, eastern Gadsden County.
Somebody tell me why, please.
Central Leon County in Big Bend, Florida, Decatur County in southwestern Georgia, Grady County in southwestern Georgia, southeastern Miller County in southwestern Georgia.
You know, just for the heck of it, guys.
Mitchell County in southwestern Georgia, southwestern Baker County
There
in
you go, went off.
southwestern Georgia, southwestern Thomas County in Georgia, until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:49 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from near Bainbridge to 11 miles northwest of Crawfordville and moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Bainbridge, Midway, Quincy, Tallahassee, Havana, Cairo, Pelham, Wigan, Tallahassee Crum College, West Bainbridge, Gretna, Attapulgis, Climax, Douglas City, Capel, Florence, Jameson, Rocky Hill, Recovery, and Ionia. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida, Gadsden, Leon, and Wakulla, and the following counties. In Georgia, Decatur, Grady, and Thomas. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Liberty and southeastern Seminole counties is